Hi, today I'm for the Honor X8 5G and I'll show you how to turn on Always On Display option on this device. So unfortunately we have now installed by default the AOD option. That's why we should get the application from the Play Store. And to do that we should open the Play Store app and in the search bar enter the Muviz application. So now we should get this first app. That's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. So now just tap to open the app, click draw our apps and find here Muviz application, click to the switcher and go back. Go back again to the application switch, add lights to AOD and select one from these available tabs. For example, let's use this one. Just tap to apply. Now this tab applied successfully, so let's just lock the device and we can see that the Always On Display option successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.